Look at the girls, they're like all nude. Even this one, she's nude. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So glad that you guys came to stop by. Actually today I'm doing another haul, and I did a haul the last time, and like I said, I did accumulate a lot of stuff over the past year, which I had always planned on posting, but I never got to it. So here we go. Today we'll be doing a Cathy Doll haul. Actually, Cathy Doll, from what I've read, is a Thai brand that a lot of their products are made and formulated in Korea. They have a lot of products, and I was actually really curious about it because of this one product I wanted to try for my face. I have a tendency to have acne marks from when I used to get a lot of pimples before, and that was my main issue, so I wanted to fix that. And I read about this product, and from there on it just continued, and I have a tiny little collection. Let's start. First off is this one. Can you see it? It is the Water Splash Essence with L-Glutathione Quick Step Whitening. I got this with the hopes that it would lighten my skin, lighten the marks in particular, also because I have this dull skin, so like if I stay up late at night, my skin's darker in the morning, or if I'm stressed, it will be darker, and it is actually darker than my actual skin tone, so I do have to use lighter foundation. This one is going to definitely help because apart from it being like a quick step whitening, so if you use it, your skin's gonna whiten right away. I wanted to get it because it's moisturizing and it's water-based, so it doesn't feel sticky or oily, especially in our weather where it's, you know, it's super humid and everything. So this is what I was really going after, and then I saw all these other great products, so this is one. Just to note, this is not a sponsored video, by the way. All of these are mine. My products, some were given, others I bought myself. So this is not a sponsored video, but if Cathy Doll would like to send me some products, I would really like that. So this one is the Ready to White Milky White Cream Pack. This cream pack actually works the same way as this, but you put it on as a mask. Like, you leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes and it's going to brighten your skin. So imagine if I've been up all night working, or I was out late with friends and the next morning I have to look great. I just slap this on my face in the morning and I wash it off, and it's great. And what it does is whitening, brightening, moisturizing, pore tightening, and it doesn't have a weird smell. The consistency is, it's kind of like a mousse, and then when you rub it on, it becomes very watery and flat. Then you leave it on for like 1 minute to 3 minutes, and then you wash it off, and it just works wonders. I love using this for emergencies, and it's an easy pack. You know, you don't have to leave it for like 15 or 20 minutes. All the prices I'll be putting in the description down below because I don't really remember anymore how much they cost. Next, we have the Aura Whitening Serum Foam Cleanser. It's really weird, but I've always had like uneven colors, so I just wanted to even this out and make my face look brighter. Not with the hopes of actually whitening my face, but more of actually brightening it. So this one has whitening, bright toner, anti-dark spot, anti-blemish, soft and smooth glutathione serum. It's dermatologist tested, and I really like this product because when I use it on my face, it doesn't dry out my face as much as other facial cleansers do, where they actually strip the moisture and the good oils that I have in my face. This one retains it as much as possible, and it's really light. It's a very light scent, so it's not like overwhelming to use. And I've been using this for a while actually, and it's not even half finished. It's just this top. So this is a really great buy. They have another version of this, one for acne. This is more for brightening, so I got this one. Next up are stuff I haven't opened yet. These were given by a friend. Well, I told her I really like Cathy Doll, so she gave a lot of this stuff for me. This is the Whitening Sunscreen L-Glutathione Magic Cream SPF 50. It has skin whitening, it's waterproof, skin moisturizing, sun protection, and pore tightening. And here it's a water drop formula. When they say water drop, that means when when it goes in your skin, it's like a cream. When it blends in, it just gets absorbed like water. It's not sticky, so it brightens your skin. So it does the same thing these guys do, but the difference is that it has sunscreen, so it will like give you like a boost of like brightening magic on your face. So yeah, I can't wait to try this, but I still have a lot of sunscreen, so I didn't open this yet. This one is the Milky Splash Body Essence Quick Step Softening. So this is the same line as this one. This one is for whitening, this one is for moisturizing, and I desperately needed this for my body. So this is for like body lotion. Essence is like lotion, and it's much lighter than your average cream lotion made with goat's milk, and I heard that this is really good. I can't wait to try it, so I will try it soon. I still have a lot of stuff open. Sculpting Highlight and Shading Cushion with SPF 50. So I have the shade in Honey Skin. So it looks like a cushion. This is a normal cushion. It looks like a cushion because it is a cushion, but it's for contouring. So I haven't opened it yet. It isn't open yet, but let's just see what's inside. The way this works apparently is it works like a contouring thing. So the bottom part is brown, the top is a lighter shade, so you're supposed to blend it in and give contour to your face. I can't wait to try this out because yeah, my face is a shopao. So my last two items are actually these Nude Me eyeshadow palettes. I really love eyeshadow palettes, even if I have so many already, because there's so many colors available, especially when I go out like and do some freelance makeup, or I do makeup tutorials. Instead of buying like little pots of colors, I have everything here. There are actually 3 variants, but I have 2. So first is the Nude Me eyeshadow in Nude. So in front it's like this. At the back it has the color shades and how to use it on your eye, which is so great, right? Especially for beginners, this is amazing. Look at the girls, they're like all nude. Even this one, she's nude. If you see the sticker, it says Cart Mart Import. That means it's that's the brand that brought it in, so that means it's an original. This is the Nude Me eyeshadow in Nude. So these are the colors. These are more nudes, pinks, and then they have this registers as blue here, but it's actually a gray. Okay, then let's compare it to the other one. The other one is Nude Me eyeshadow 2 in Smoky. The case is different, right? The case is different, and the colors are different as well. See the colors? This is them side by side. This is more pink, but I can see it from here. It's more pink, and then this one, the smoky one, is more like beige and browns, creating a naturally smoky look. So guys, that was my mini Cathy Doll haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope there are some products there that you want to try out. Of course, you can visit all their stores. They have a lot of outlets in SM department stores and Watson's outlets. I would really love to try their other products. I know they have other makeup products like lipstick and eyebrow pencils and all that, and foundation and powders, and I have to just spend for what I need first. So I'm definitely going to get some of these skincare products, especially this because it's almost finished. Skincare products, and hopefully I'll do a review of them. If you would like me to do a review on these products, just tell me. I can do a swatching maybe of these, and yeah, and maybe a review of these other products here. That's for another video. So if you enjoyed my video, and if there's some stuff that you really want to try out, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below if there are any products that you think you know that are worth trying, or you've tried them out before and you would like me to try them out, and I would maybe consider buying them if I hear that they're really good. Also click the subscribe button. I will be uploading a lot of videos. Of course, I can't do the daily thing. Editing is really hard, so I'll just do like a weekly thing, try to upload as many videos as I can. And yeah, and don't forget to click the bell because you're gonna get notifications from every new video that comes out. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!